Hi friends, today we are going to see how to install Oracle Linux on VirtualBox in Windows 10. There are two prerequisites on this process. First, we have to install Oracle VirtualBox on Windows. Second, we have to download Oracle Linux disk image from Oracle. So I have already installed Oracle VirtualBox in my system and I have downloaded Oracle server disk image file from Oracle. This is the image file I downloaded. So this is the Oracle VirtualBox. I open it. Here I already installed Red Cat 7.3 OS in my Oracle VirtualBox. Today we can see how to install Oracle Linux server. So first we have to click New. Here we have to give the virtual machine name. I have given name as Oracle Linux. So 6, and we can the type is selected automatically as Linux. If it is, you have to change. You have to give correct OS type. You have to give correct. We can give correct type. As well as I'm using Oracle 64-bit, so I select that one. Otherwise, if you want, we can change it and click next. Here we have to give the memory size of virtual machine. I will allocate around 2 GB memory for this virtual machine. Based on your local system RAM capacity, we can allocate more than RAM size. So I will click next. Here we have to select the option of hard disk. I am select the option create a virtual hard disk now. Otherwise, we can use existing virtual hard disk file. I am using for already created 40 GB for Redcat 7.3. Okay, so now I using a create a virtual hard disk now. New one I will be using. Okay, and click create. Here we can select the option of hard disk file type. I downloaded disk image, so I am selecting this option VDI and click next. Here we can select the option of storage physical hard disk. I am using the option is dynamically allocated and click next. Here we have to give the file location and size. I am allocating around 45 GB for this virtual machine, and finally click create. It will create the virtual machine on VirtualBox. Okay, so we can see the setting. You can see the properties on the setting. We can edit here. If you modify the RAM size, we can modify here and click OK. It will change. So like we can modify all properties details here. So I will double click this one. It will ask the hard disk file. So I will give that image file which I was downloaded from Oracle. I select that one and I click start. So that is the screen is opened to install or upgrade our existing system. I am using install upgrade existing system option. It will take a few minutes. Okay. Now it's asking to begin testing the media before installation. Okay. So I'm using a disk image file that is already there in my system. So I'm skipping the testing. Okay. the installation getting started. So I click next. Here it will ask me languages. Okay, which language would you like to use during the installation process? I am using English. Just this is a keyboard language. It's US. Okay. Next, it's asking what type of the device will you install in what? I am selecting basic storage devices. Okay. Here I am getting some warning. I just click yes, restore any data. Here we have to give the local host name. Give it Oracle 6. Click next. Okay. Here we can select the time zone of this OS. I'm using American New York. Okay. Here we have to give the root account password. Provide weak password. Okay. Here I am using replacing SQL Linux server option. The file systems are updating now. Okay. Installation process is getting ready. The default installation of Oracle Linux Service Basic Server. So you can optional select different. I using Basic Server. Please additional repository. I using Oracle Linux Server. Customize later. Customize later. You're checking the dependency check for this installation. Installation process getting started. So it will take time. I am pausing the video. Okay. Now the Oracle, congratulations, your Oracle Linux service installation is completed. So please reboot use installation system. So installation is completed. It takes around 10 minutes. So I reboot system. It's rebooted now. It's take times. Okay, I'm logging with the root user. This is the root user. Like, okay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this will help you to install R2 Linux server on your virtual machine. Thank you so much for watching this.